Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play two-player on Call of Duty Black Ops. First, make sure your console is fully powered on and connected to your television or monitor. You'll also need two compatible controllers ready to go. Finally, confirm that your Call of Duty Black Ops game is installed and updated to the latest version. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable split-screen experience for you and a friend. Once your first controller is active, it's time to connect the second one. Simply power it on and follow your console's instructions to pair it. Your system should automatically assign it as player 2. Then, have your friend log in using either a guest profile or their own separate account. This step is crucial for the game to register both players correctly before you dive into the action. With both controllers connected, launch Call of Duty Black Ops. From the main menu, you'll want to navigate to the multiplayer or local play section. Look for options specifically mentioning split screen or two-player. Then, select your preferred game mode. Many modes, such as Team Deathmatch or Domination, typically support two players on one screen, offering plenty of fun. Before starting, take a moment to customize your game settings. You can choose your favorite maps, adjust the rules, and select your player loadouts. Ensure both players are confirmed and assigned to their respective teams. Once everything looks good, simply press the Start Match button. You're now ready to enjoy an exciting two-player experience in Call of Duty Black Ops with your friend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.